Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun video to share with you. I do want to apologize. I have been sick and so my voice is a little bit raspier than normal, but I do want to share this haul because I have had this sitting in my entryway for a few days and been too sick to open it, and I'm dying to see what's inside. So this is a Thredup rescue shoebox. There's 15 pairs of shoes and varied sizes in here. They're supposed to be all women's shoes, I believe, but we'll find out. And I did have a credit that I used to buy this on Thredup. I had a $25 credit, and so I decided to buy a rescue box, and this was the best one of the boxes available. They didn't have very many available when I went on there. I've noticed that a lot lately, that there's been less variety available, and they started doing a lot of new boxes that are by size, which I'm not as big of a fan of because I feel like the ones that are by size are more for like consumers, and the rescue boxes traditionally have been basically for resellers because you're getting bulk inventory but varied sizes, so nobody's going to buy that unless they're a reseller. So anyway, let's jump in. Let's see what I got. I did want to tell you guys before I break into it, my box came from Pennsylvania. I live in Washington State and there's none near me, so it seems like every time I get it from random places, sometimes Georgia, sometimes Arizona, and sometimes Pennsylvania, but I have heard the Pennsylvania one is the best. At least that's what the rumors say. So I'm going to grab my scissors and we're going to break into it. I am not feeling up to lifting this, so I'm just going to leave it on the floor. Here, let me show you guys. Here's the box. I'm not going to lift it up because I am still too sick to do that, but I will go ahead and break this open and we'll look at what I got. Cat wants to be involved in everything I'm doing today. All right. I see a lot of color when I open it up, which is cool because we are heading into spring shopping. Okay, so let's just start with the first thing I saw, which are these really fun heels. So I'm not sure if I'm going to list these or not because of the brand. So these are Abound, which is like a house brand for like Macy's and stuff, or Nordstrom's, is it? Anyway, but they're kind of cute. They're very like Valentine's Day. This is like a fabric, textured fabric on here, and they are a mule in a size 8. So I don't know, they're kind of fun. Should I list those? Maybe. We'll see. I guess it depends on what else I get in my box and the quality, because I will have to list enough pieces to make my money back. Okay, these are good. This is a pair of J. Crew mules. Nice chunky heel again. Very similar style to the first one as far as like structure and stuff. These are size 9. Was that last one a 9? An 8. I was going to say, I wonder if it's the same person. These are obviously a lot more neutral, a lot more neutral, a lot more wearable. So that's the first 2 pairs. They both look like they're in pretty good condition. So, all right, next. I'm not really excited about either of those, but oh, well, here we go. This made up the box for sure. These are a pair of Rag & Bone loafers, leather loafers, and they have a leopard print on them. They look to be in really nice condition. Rag & Bone shoes actually usually sell pretty well for me. These look like they were not worn, you guys. Look at that. They still have the sticker. They don't look worn at all. And I'm trying to see where the size is on these ones. So I looked these over really good and could not find the size, but I went online and looked at other people who had these listed and found out that the size is actually printed on the inside of the penny loafer strap in the weirdest place, but I was able to locate the size because of that. Well, I will look those over more thoroughly later, but I'm not seeing a size right off the bat, but those are really, really cute. Okay, I'm very happy about that. So that's only 3 shoes in. Next, Jack Rogers. This is another really good brand. It doesn't move as well as it used to, but I'll take it for sure. These are like a silver leather loaf or like slip-on shoe, and they are size 9. They still have their tag on the bottom. They came from Saks Fifth Avenue for $129. These ones do look worn a little bit, but they're actually in really good condition still. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a good box. I'm happy already, and I still have a lot to go through, but I'm seeing some good things on top. By the way, there was one piece of tissue just laying on top and the rest were just, the shoes are just thrown in otherwise. This is a pair of Birkenstocks. They're the Papatio ones, which is like a diffusion line, but they're a brown patent leather mule style slip-on flats. They're in pretty good condition. They're dusty and a bit dirty. I'll have to see if I can clean those up a bit. These are a size 39. All right, next we have a pair of Vionics. All of them are rubber banded together though, which I do appreciate because it helps keep things from getting damaged. Just like a slip-on Vionic sandal. Those look to be in pretty good condition. They do have some wear and some like discoloration in the toe bed, but that should be still very sellable condition. Trying to see a size on these. You know, I wonder if that's the reason the Rag & Bones went in this box, is because they won't sell things that don't have a size. And these Vionics also, I can't find a size right off the bat, so I wonder if that's why those were in. But I'll still take it because I can figure out sizes. Oh, these are kind of cute. Interesting. Sorry, I have to get the rubber bands off so I can show you things. This pair of Cole Haan, these look tiny though. This pair of Cole Haan little leather wedge, like closed toe dress shoe. Cole Haan doesn't sell as well as it used to, and these are size 5.5, so that is really small. But anything like under a 7 is a little bit of a slower mover for me. I do still sell them, but they don't sell as fast, so yeah, we'll see. Another pair of Birkenstocks. Awesome. These are funky too. So these are like one of the thong style sandals, and they have this peach leather and then the really fun like rainbow buckle, which is cool. And these ones are a size 41. Awesome. They actually look like they're in pretty good condition. They need a wipe down. There's some crusties on the inside, but that should be easy to clean. All right. Okay. This is the first pair for sure I won't sell. I think everything else so far I will try to sell, because I think these Abound ones are funky enough that they might do well. But I don't think I'm going to try to sell these because they are just 9 West. So not the best brand for resale. And there's actually quite a bit of wear and damage on these. So not worth my time. They would be a really good Valentine's shoe though for somebody if they were in better condition. They're size 7.5 and they're just a basic little peep toe faux. Is it? No, it's real leather upper. But yeah, there's just a lot of wear on the leather, so I don't think I will try to sell those. 9 West, just when I list it, it ends up sitting forever and ever, and it's just not worth selling. Okay, let me get the rubber band off these. You guys will have to leave comments below. Let me know what you think of this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have to make sure I count and make sure I have everything. And Taylor. Really cute little, I don't even think they're animal print. It's more just like a polka dot print, mule, slip-on mule with a little kitten heel, stiletto kitten heel. These ones are size 8.5 and those are real leather as well. These have some damage. Oh, these are time and true. I'm not going to even unwind those. Time and true. So that is Walmart, and they are very damaged. So these are just going to be donated for sure. So I'm going to set those aside. I'm definitely not going to be listing those. And also the 9 West. Let me set those aside so I can have a count at the end. Okay, the best stuff was on the top for sure. These are a pair of Nikes, and they have seen better days. They're quite dirty. I like the colorway though. It's kind of a funky colorway. I'm not sure. They say they're the Epic React. They do have their insoles, so that's good. And they are a size 8. You know, I might try cleaning these up. I might just throw them in the wash. The only reason I wouldn't list these is because they're pretty dirty. But maybe if I throw them in the wash, I can clean them up and try to sell them. So I'm going to put them in the sell pile for now, because I will put in a little bit of effort to try to sell those. These are a pair of Adidas. Adidas, like running shoes like this, I find don't really sell for me personally. Some of their other shoes sometimes sell, but I don't know. I have a hard time with athletic shoes. I don't know why. I know a lot of people sell only athletic shoes, but they tend to sit for me for a long time. These are in really good condition though, and they're pretty mint green little, like, you know, athletic shoe. And they have good tread and everything. So, I don't know. I might try to sell them and just list them real cheap. What's the size though? These are a size 8, so they're nice size as well. Never heard of this brand, but it does look like it could be something interesting. This is Yaya's size. Oh no, wait, it just says Yaya's 26. I don't think that's the size. We'll find out what size these are later. I think this is another one that doesn't have a size. It's an espadrille little slip-on shoe, very like nautical. These feel like really good quality. I have not heard of Yaya's, so I will look this up, but I think these are worth selling most likely. So yay, happy about those. Okay, interesting. This is an UGG, a little UGG like boat shoe, patent leather. That is kind of cute. I actually like that. UGGs are back in style. Everybody is loving the UGGs lately. They were out for a long time, I feel like, and now they're coming back. And again, these are missing a size. You guys, I got the missing size shoe box, but all the shoes that I got that are missing a size are worth me investigating size, you know? Like a lot of times when shoes don't have a size, what I usually will do is try it on. If it's my size, then I know. If it doesn't fit me, then I will compare it to other shoes that I already have. Because I have, you know, hundreds of shoes listed. I can usually find a shoe that is the same size, that has its sizing in it, just by comparing, you know, I can figure out what size it is. So anyway, yeah, I will sell those. And then the last thing, I don't know about these. I feel like these are so ugly, but I'll show you. These are a pair of Coach boots. I feel like these like Y2K styles though are coming back. So I don't know, maybe these are coming back in style, or if not yet, wait a couple years and they will be. These are a pair of Coach monogram little shoes. They are leather on the bottom here, and this is like a canvas, or no, more of like a fabric. They're very thick insulation. They have a lot of cat hair inside, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. It's not my cat. This is white cat hair. And these are a size, do I see a size? I don't see a size on these, but they do look real small. I'm going to guess a 6 or a 5.5 on these, but I will have to check on that as well. So, okay, let me count real quick because I lost count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are 14 pairs that I am going to sell in this box and 2 pairs that I'm not selling. So I actually got 16 pairs, which is really good because only 14 of them are sellable. So I don't feel real slighted. By the way, I have had boxes where more than half of it is not sellable. So this box is really good, you guys. Now, some of the items that I put in the sellable, I'm not super excited about selling, but I'm still going to try to sell like the Adidas shoes and the Coach boots. But overall, I think that was a fantastic box. I will make my money back just on those Rag & Bone shoes. So I'm very happy with this purchase. Let me know what you guys think. Did you think I got a good box? Would you have bought this box at it was like $4.50 a pair was my cost of goods breakdown. Now it will be a little bit higher since I'm only selling 14 instead of 15 of the pairs, but still not bad. I'm very happy with it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next one. Bye now.